Mr. Debaran Roy. He is the IT security analyst at IEMLabs. His certifications are he is EC Council certified hacker, certified network penetration tester, and Cisco certified network associate.
Hello, in this video I'll show how to install VMware Workstation. So this video will be of three parts, that is what is virtual machine, system requirement and how to install it. So what is a virtual machine? A virtual machine is a compute resource that uses software instead of a physical computer to run programs and deploy apps. One or more virtual guest machines run on a physical host machines. Each virtual machine runs its own operating system and functions separately from other VMs even when they are all running on the same host. So what are the system requirements? System requirements are i5 processor, 1.3 GHz or faster core speed and 4 GB RAM or higher recommended. So now I'll show you how to install it. You need to download it from their official website, that is vmware.com, and after that you can install it. Yes. Then click on next, then accept the license agreement, then next, then enhance keyboard driver, and next, next and next, then install. Then click on finish. Then it is asking for to restart your system. For the configuration you can restart it later. Now it is ready to use. And thanks for watching the video.